Hello everybody! Today I want to share with you a massage technique that is going to improve your capillary skin nutrition, will tighten up your skin and make it more elastic. And this massage is a great alternative to mesotherapy. It improves microcirculation in your cells. It speeds up the processes in your cells and they start producing more substances that are responsible for skin rejuvenation. Today, I want to share with you several options of this massage. We are going to start off with a massage for those of you who have a thin layer of subcutaneous fat. I have already showed this massage in one of my previous videos. It was basically micro-pinching of your entire face. And if you have already tried this massage technique, please comment below about your experience. And now I'm going to show the main exercise from this technique. With the tips of your fingers, pinch through your skin millimeter by millimeter till it gets slightly red. Moving along the massage lines, starting from the center, moving to the sides. You should be pinching very small areas. Do it very gently and lightly. You can also work with one hand at a time, starting at one side of your face and then moving to the other side. I prefer this method because it's more convenient for me. Be very gentle in the area around your eyes. Then move to your temples. And move on to your forehead. Here you're gonna be working upwards. In the same way, pinch through the area of your nasolabial fold. And around your lips. And in the same way, in small pinching motions, move on to your neck. Do it very gently, doing some tiny pinches. The next option is for people who have normal to thick level of subcutaneous fat. Here you're gonna be grabbing not only your skin, but also the muscle. It will loosen the muscles and improve their nutrition. Keep working along the massage lines, grabbing a good fold of tissue between your fingers. Moving from the center to the side, you can also be working with one hand at a time or both hands. You can stay a little bit longer in the area of your cheekbone muscles attachment. Then move on to your chewing muscles, working from the lower side of your cheekbone all the way down to the corner of your lower jaw. Then move to your temples. It will release your muscles and help against swelling. Don't forget about your ears because aging is very visible in this area. Give them a good pinch. Preferably till they get red. And move on to your forehead, starting off by softening of the forehead muscles, moving the skin in all different directions. Then grab a fold of tissue, both muscles and the skin, keep it for 1 second and release, and move lower and repeat. In this way, work through the whole area of your forehead. Now move to the area between your eyebrows and your eyebrows themselves. Pinch through them in order to loosen the muscles. Now move on to the scalp massage. Now, while doing a classic massage of your scalp, you're removing the skin apart in all different directions. Here you're going to be grabbing your skin into a fold. You are going to have a little bit different feelings. They're gonna be nicer and gentler. You're gonna be feeling how blood flow is improved and your cells are getting more nutrients. Work through your entire head. If it is hard for you to grab a fold of tissue on your scalp, try making a big fold between fingers of both of your hands. Please share your feelings about this type of scalp massage in comments below this video. Now let's move on to the area under your chin. Grab the tissue in a fold, in a good big fold again. Now let's work through the area under your chin. Grab some muscle and skin into a fold and release. Move a little bit sideways and repeat the exercise, working all the way till the corner of your lower jaw. Now move to your neckline, doing the same exercise of grabbing a fold of tissue, keeping it for a second and releasing. Working through the whole area, moving from the center to the sides. It will soften the muscles, improve circulation, and tighten up your skin, improve elasticity of your skin, and rejuvenate your neckline. The first option of this massage you can do 3 times a week. You can also do the deeper version, the second one, if you have a thin layer of subcutaneous fat, but only once a week. If you have normal to thick level of subcutaneous fat, you can do it twice a week. And now I'm gonna share a third option of this massage, and for this you're going to need a massage ball. But make sure it's not too harsh. It shouldn't feel uncomfortable on your skin. Work through your neckline, moving from the center to the sides. You can do it in circular motions or just rolling it sideways, from the center to the sides. And in the area under your chin. Then move to your face, working along the massage lines, rolling the ball sideways from the center to the sides. Till your skin gets slightly reddish, and move to the other side. And your temples. You can do this massage along with this video. You don't need to do it for longer than I am showing you. And move on to your scalp. Rolling the ball around your head. This gives me such a good feeling. With the ball, you can massage your face 3 times a week, and your scalp, well, every day. It's important to note that you're not rolling the ball on your neck. So if you found this video useful, make sure you subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget clicking the bell to make sure you see our newest video.
Новое видео у меня в животе бурлит, по-моему.
Мало того, что в животе бурлит, еще и голос кричит почему-то.
Сейчас. Камера не забрызгала.
Я протру, если что.
Я начинаю? Если вам было полезно это видео, подписывайтесь на наш канал, ставьте лайки, рекомендуйте друзьям. Не забывайте нажимать на колокольчик, чтобы не пропустить новое видео.